Hi, I'm Tawny. I'm here with Dhritiman Dasgupta, who goes by Didi, and he is the Senior Manager of Enterprise Marketing. So welcome, Didi.
Thanks, Tony.
Can you tell me about some of the biggest trends of the enterprise IT today?
Sure. So apart from the economy, which is obviously impacting everybody's budgets and priorities, we're witnessing two massive trends in the enterprises today. On one hand, the data, the application, and the servers are getting concentrated and consolidated into these massive mega data centers. On the other hand, the workers or the workforce centers are getting more and more distributed across the enterprise. Our research shows, which actually matches some of the top industry analyst numbers, that about 90% of a typical enterprise workforce could reside in non-headquarters locations. These would include branch offices, regional offices, and even home and mobile users, thus creating this distributed enterprise.
So what are some of the challenges of the distributed enterprise?
So traditionally, the network solutions for the distributed enterprise have been very siloed in their approach, with a very location-specific or a place in the network-specific kind of a model, with a separate solution for branch offices, separate solution for campus networks, another one for data centers, another one for remote locations, and the list keeps going on.
Right.
Now, within each of these silos, multiple devices, multiple operating systems, and a plethora of management applications have crept into the network as they've become more and more distributed. Compounding the problem is the fact that enterprises today have become more fluid than ever before, where the key to an employee's success could depend on being able to work from a remote location one day and from the headquarters location the next day. What that means is all locations have become business critical and require a consistent, reliable, secure IT networking services.
Right, but wouldn't this increase the complexity of the network?
Absolutely. As the businesses have become more and more distributed, our networks have become more and more complex. And by the way, all this complexity is not just confusing, it's driving up our IT costs sky high, adding more users from more locations, accessing more applications is just burning away the IT budgets way too fast.
So what's different about Juniper's solution then?
So we've taken a very different approach to solving the problem for the distributed enterprise. Instead of taking a silo-based or a location-based approach that I mentioned, we have taken a services-based approach. Juniper Networks solutions for the distributed enterprise enables IT services without boundaries, enabling reliable, high-performance connectivity, security, and management services across all workforce centers, regardless of location or size. At the same time, we've maintained a razor-sharp focus on reducing the total cost of ownership for the network. We believe that the limits of the business should not be dictated by the limits of the network.
It's a good mantra. So if people want to find out more information, where can they go?
Oh, there's a lot of information available on www.juniper.net/no limits.
Okay, well, thank you, Didi, for talking with me.
Thanks for having me.
And for Juniper Networks, I'm Tawny. Thanks for watching.